Now, salons, gyms, grocery stores, they all have them now. Sneeze guards, that's those plastic plexiglass stands that are between you and the cashier. It's to prevent respiratory droplets from being transmitted through the air that can come from coughing, sneezing, even talking. But did you know that you can buy your own? Don't be offended if your coworker only wants to see you through clear plastic from now on. Made for desktops, countertops, even to wear around your head. Amazon, Wayfair, and Etsy have recorded a surge in sneeze guard purchases. For employees like dental hygienists nervous to return to work because of a lack of PPE, Health Magazine says this might help. A face shield that can go over masks and are also reusable and can be wiped clean. This one is on Etsy for $10. If you own a business, there's these that can provide protection for the reception desk or checkout counter, available on Etsy for $60 and for $40 to $225 on Amazon, ranging in small to large sizes. You can really make sure your coworkers stay at arm's length by propping this up on your desk between you and the rest of the office. A nice little subtle hint to tell them, get back, right? So also, if you search the internet, you can find these, some that hang from the ceiling, some that you can put over food. The little cutouts in them probably make for a good exchange with money. Also, you can, maybe your manicurist wants to get one. Just remember that any exchange means you still need to be washing your hands. This is only to protect you from the other person talking.